Configurations in SOLIDWORKS are used to manage design changes very efficiently. Also, if you are at some advanced state in design and want to switch back to some previous state, then you can do this very easily by using the configuration within a single file. Not only that, we can make multiple variations of a model within a single file and we can use them very efficiently. Configurations are no doubt very useful tool. Now let's see how we can use configuration in SolidWorks. So first we will click on file, click on new and part, then click OK because we are going to do our work in a part file. From here you can change the background to plain white and before working you can adjust these units. I used to work in millimeters. You can switch to inches according to your use. Click on top plane, click on sketch because we are going to make the sketch on the top plane. And this is the corner rectangle, so select a corner rectangle from here and make a rectangle at the center. Select smart dimension and specify the dimension of this side as 200 and this side as 120 millimeters. All right. Then it's an optional thing. If you want to make a center line, you can make a center line. All right, so we don't need any center line. Okay, just click on a circle and make a circle at the center right here. All right, then specify the diameter of the circle. So how we can do that? This is 20 millimeter. And if you want to apply some fillets, it's up to you. Go to extruded boss base and you can adjust the thickness of this from here. 10 millimeter is fine, and click OK. So let's now specify the color because this is looking some weird. You can apply any color. All right, so this color is looking fine. Okay, so now go to configurations. This is configuration, so click on this configuration and now we are going to make a configuration here. So click on this part and add configuration, and here the name of the configuration, you can specify any name, A, B, C, and the description of that. So as we are going to make a profile on either left side or right side, so we will describe it here and then click OK. So here is our new configuration and we are working on it. So now make a center rectangle on the left side, trace the center, make a rectangle, specify the dimensions. The length of this side is 25 and this as 15. Now as you can see, both centers are not at the same line, so press Ctrl button, select these two circles, make relation horizontal, and now these are in line. So go to features, select extruded cut because we are going to cut this rectangle, and here we go. So in our next state we have done this thing, and this is our previous state, or you can say the default state, or you can say default configuration, and here this is suppressed, right? It means that we have done some work in our um, configuration. This is our configuration. So if you want to make another configuration, what you can do, you have to select this configuration and click on add configuration, and name of the configuration, it can be B, C, or any other name, and the description, what you are going to do, you are going to make some profile on the right side or either left side. All right, so now we are in configuration B and make a rectangle or circle or this hexagon. All right, so now let's specify the dimension according to your use or according to your drawing. So I'm specifying this. Now make some relation because this is press Ctrl button, select these two lines and make relation as vertical. Right. And now go to features, select extrude cut and simply check this box from here. All right, and here we go. So we have done this in our configuration B. Now we have three configurations, default, A and B. This is our default configuration. But what if we want to share the features of another configuration? So in this default configuration, we can enable this feature by unsuppressing this feature. So we can share the features as well. And this is the beauty of working in configurations. As I said earlier, that if you are at some advanced state and if you want to switch some previous state, then you can do it by using the configurations. And you can share the features of one configuration to the other configuration as well. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe.